Quick how-to of how to put the nose cone on the car. Again, pretty self-explanatory, but essentially you've got these push-button quick-release clips. So basically you can stand over the front wing, lower the nose cone on the car, the rear end will hook over the mirrors, basically make sure it's hooked in, and they will clip on, then reach down, clip the sides, 1, 2, and then clip this one at the front. And that's it, the nose cone's on. Check that all this is in the correct position and hasn't hooked over the suspension or anything like that. Pulling this thing off is self-explanatory as well, but it can be a little bit fiddly. So again, I think it's best to step over the front of the car so you can get over the nose cone, but you can pop the front one up, pop the sides, get them nice and loose, bit of a jiggle, pop them, and then it's handy to grab the nose cone here so you can flex it out a tiny bit because they sort of all hook and catch and you've got a bit of a jiggle to get it off, but you know, pretty obvious.